You should be able
Brian
to.
Spencer, I'm on my way. He's making
The phone system here works, Nick, if you.
Let me unplug them if I can.
The phone?
No, the plug.
I wouldn't touch anything, guys.
Okay.
Here's something right here. You might need to
Unplug one of them.
all in there. I'll take a picture of it.